Alright guys, I'm back. Just now trying to complete my little task on the box Chevy. So as I told y'all, if y'all looked at my videos, I will be using ACDelco power steering fluid in the box Chevy. Just trying to go OEM on everything right now. So let's get this camera together here and let's swap out what we have. I didn't have too much in it because before I had a leak, the line was leaking. So I don't think I quite filled it up back to max capacity. So I am going to do that today. And I'm gonna do it with basically measuring cup and the turkey baster. And let me see. Actually, what I could get, I was just thinking what already. Not even really do nothing. But let me see basically what I could get out of here with the turkey baster. Angles a little bit weird because this is kind of in the way, but I'm gonna see what I could do basically here. Just keep this close by down here so I don't have to go too far. Let's see. And it's super dirty, people. I see that already. Hardly really filthy. Now, like how when I did Renzel was actually clean, but this right here is showing dirty. And I actually I believe I took this out already. When I had the leak, I had to actually kind of drain it, but I didn't put much in here because there's not really, honestly, too much power steering fluid in here. And I like to say it's like OD full, so, but it's not the cleanest, so hopefully we'll get better results. See what I'm saying? There's not that much in here. See if I could get another full squirt. See, it's like kind of like I'm getting like half. So there's not that much in here. Get as much as I can out. Go back in. Alright. I think I ain't gonna get that much more out of it. So this is basically what was in there. I told you barely nothing. And it was super dirty. So really nothing, because I told you I had had somewhat of a leak. Let's replace this tissue, some clean tissue. Some tissue back here. And it's leaking from the line, so let me check the line real quick. Where's my other light? Had another light, people. Yeah, here we go. Let me just check behind the line. see. It looks pretty clean, clear. All right. Let's get Mr. Funnel. I cleaned the funnel out yesterday, so the funnel is clean. And let's do it from here. Let's get this filled up. Drop the cap in. Let's take this and poke it. And this is a 16 ounce. So we should be taking the whole 16 ounces. So as I said, the angle's a little bit janky, as y'all can see. Let's actually do it just like this. Perfect. This should go right in there. Actually, you should take the whole bottle. I'm just gonna do a check. Damn, they took the whole bottle. I'm just gonna do a check to see where it lies. Let me take a look. Okay. And this is like in a weird ass angle. So you could barely see it the way they angled it when you do the whole conversion kit is like stupid where like it actually looked like it's too much because it overflowed. Honestly, people, like it actually wasn't even supposed to take the whole 16. It looked like it did overflow. Like that was actually too much. Yep, it's too much. Too much, I couldn't see it. That's what I was saying. So you know what I gotta do? I gotta take some out, people, and put some back. It's actually too much. So let's put that here. And let's take some out. See what I was saying? So I'm gonna take some out, put some back in the bottle. It's just the way the bottle's angled. The bottle's angled funny. So since it's angled funny, I can't determine or see. All right, I'll tap back in with y'all in 1 minute. All right, guys, this is not a super long video, but the way this power steering bottle is mounted different from the OEM. It's mounted like in an angle, right? It's not mounted like, you know, kind of straight up. So, recommended it's supposed to take the whole 16 ounce, but since it's in that angle, it's taking less than that. So me thinking, all right, it's going to take the whole 16, I kind of overfilled it. So what I had to do, I had to remove some out, as y'all know, and basically get it back to where it needed to be and clean up the mess. So basically it's kind of like where it's supposed to be at, like right here, which is good. And I had to basically clean up the excess fluid that leaked down. So I got that cleaned up. Let's get this tightened back up pretty good. And that's good. So all right, so basically that's done. So it took, honestly, it maybe took about like 12 ounces. I don't think, because I have maybe about a little bit, I maybe have like 2 ounces, so it maybe took about 14 ounces. So I have like 2 ounces actually in here. I can feel it. So we just gonna keep this in the crib, which we may never need it, or we maybe actually do. I mean, you have to top off, remember I was saying I maybe have to top off the Renzel a little bit, so that made me just work. So now is really time to get these cars back into where they actually belong. People, let's see, I got a text here. Yeah, actually to get these cars back to where they belong. Renzel back here, box Chevy back there, and basically, so now, as I said, I just wanted to take it out long. So basically, as I did yesterday, I did the transmission, I did the oil, and I did the power steering fluid, and basically I swapped out some of the dirty brake fluid that was in the bottle here. So I took care of that. So yeah, we in good shape. The only thing I got to do now is just this molding, which I have the molding here, and I really wanted to get this resealed, but I got to see when I'm going to do that. And yeah, basically just clean up the box Chevy, and we kind of ready to go. When they finish actually cleaning up the roads, I gotta actually clean this rim. They actually starting to clean up the patch of the power hose. So once they kind of do that, then we'll be in a little better space to beat up the highway and stuff. And y'all already know what this is. So all right, so not even gonna like drag this video too long. So yeah, just another maintenance done. And if you're new to the channel, you already know the vibes. Look at the back end videos. Renzel over there in the cup. We beating up the road, and we about to beat up the road with all these cars for 2026. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Like for who? You already know. Mike Elias.